Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy process on how you can change your phone number on Coinbase. If you've recently changed your phone number and you'd like to update that on your Coinbase, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to change your phone number on your Coinbase, tap open your Coinbase application. You can do this on your desktop as well. Make sure that you're logged into your Coinbase account, and from the main homepage, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. This will open up expanded menu. Tap on profile and setting right under your name. And from the options displayed right beneath account tab, select phone numbers. Your registered phone number will be displayed on the screen. If you'd like to change into a new phone number, tap on add a phone number. Now, select your country code from the drop-down and type in your phone number. Make sure to type in the valid phone number that you have access to, since you'll need to verify your phone number on the next page. Once you type in the phone number, tap on the Continue button in blue. Now you'll receive a two-step verification code sent to your previous mobile number. Simply type in your 7-digit code in the text box and tap on Submit. On the next page, you'll need to enter the 7-digit code that has been sent to your new mobile number. Simply type it in the text box. Once you type in the 7-digit code, tap on Submit at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a phone number on your Coinbase account. The new number that you just added will be used as an active phone number for Coinbase. You can always remove the phone number by tapping on Remove right next to the phone number. That is how you'll be able to change your phone number on Coinbase quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.